first of all, I would like to introduce himself to you all. His name is Navnath. He is new student here. Okay, he joined before three. How many days you have completed? Yes, 3 days. Only 3 days you have completed. Yes. Okay, just introduce yourself to them.
Hi friend, my name is Navnath Santosh Sherke. I am recently living in Diva, nearby Global School. I living with my uncle's family. In family, we are 5 members are living.
So, Mr. Navnath, sir, I would like to ask you. You have completed here only 3 days. First of all, I would like to know from your side that what was the purpose to be here to improve your English language?
As I said before, to improve my skill, improve my English, because to earn some good money, as well as to improve my professional life and my personal life as well as, because if you speak good English, speaking good English, then it's a great great skill. All people seen in you.
Want to say that if you are improving your English language, then you are going to get respect also.
Yes, yes, yes,
Right?
definitely.
And your purpose was that to improve your English language, that to get handsome money,
Yes,
and to improve your personality,
yes,
to improve your communication also,
yeah,
to improve so many things.
yes,
So it says that, and it sees also that if you are well known of English language,
yeah,
then you can be respected everywhere, because this language sharps your personality.
yeah,
This language sharps your communication.
yeah,
This language sharps your behavior also.
yes,
Okay, if you are not having a lot of qualifications and you are not having certificates, but if you are having skills of English language, then you are respected everywhere. I, according to my point of view. And if you are having a lot of qualifications and you are having a lot of certificates, but if you don't know how to speak English language, then you are not going to get respect anywhere.
yeah,
And nowadays, it seems and it is being watched in every sector, in every department. English language is mandatory. Right? If I talk about your job sector where you are doing job,
yeah,
there is also English is spoken.
yes,
Right now. Right. So if everyone is speaking English language, if I'm not going to speak, then I feel so shy and I feel so ashamed.
yeah,
Why am I not able to speak English language? Then we realize that how much English language is important actually.
yes,
I think you may also have faced this kind of situation, or
yes,
then you thought that no, I should also try to improve my English language. It was the reason. Okay, that's fantastic and very amazing. We are always with you to improve your English language. Now I would like to ask you one thing, that what do you think about the atmosphere, and from joining date to till now, what is your feedback about us and about these students also? They are waiting your reply.
uh, uh, it is a great experience here that because of little children are speaking in English. That's a good sign for her, as well as when they uh, speaking English, uh, that help to improve her personality as well as her qualification. Uh, that's it is a great environment.
Okay, nice try. He means to say that when I see children while speaking English language, then we also get inspired.
Yeah,
Okay, because that little student, he has not completed his 10th and 12th also. He is in his senior, or he is in his KG or 10th, sorry, 5th and 6th standard, and now he is speaking English language. If he can speak, then why I cannot speak? Then we think that no, we can also speak and we should try to speak.
yes,
Okay, then you saw that kind of atmosphere, that if little children are speaking in this institution, then I can also speak, right?
yes,
Right. Then you noticed this kind of things, and then it is your feedback.
yes.
Okay, well, so atmosphere is also good or not about if I talk about it?
Atmosphere very good.
What do you think about these students? Are they good to help you or not?
Yes, uh, they what it means? Home helped me to when I came here first day.
First day.
Then he helped me.
He helped you to
Yes. To
improve your
improve my practice.
basic computers or something else.
Yeah.
Okay, what is your role? What is the role of your English language in your job sector?
Where I work in my post, there are no required to talk in English, but someone around, they are always calling each other and communicate with each other in English. Then I realized English is must to learn.
Actually, this is very great motivation.
Yes.
If suppose that if I'm doing work anywhere and my if I talk about my personality, it is good. I'm a good looking person there, but if I'm seeing another person who is speaking proper English and I'm unable to speak, then I feel so guilty.
Yes.
Then I thought, no, I also should improve my English language. I also should speak like them because I am also the person. They are also the person. If they can speak, then I can also speak. Then you thought, no, I should also improve my English language. That's a great motivation, and you will be improving just within some days. Because if I talk about those students who are coming here who does not have desires in their life, still they are improving. It doesn't matter they have been completed their so many days, they have been completing for long years, still they are improving. But if you are having desire, then you can improve your English language as soon as possible, just within 1 and 2 months. You would be speaking properly, and we are always with you. All right?
Thank you.
Okay, that's wonderful talking with you.
Thank you, sir.
I would like to call him again.